G'day everybody, where's Wally here? Well, Adam, he had to go and watch SN10, didn't he? But like a typical flat earther, he got very confused by telephoto lenses and angles and such.
We're going to have a look at a short clip from SpaceX's SN10 rocket launch test they did yesterday. Essentially, they sent this rocket up to an altitude of 10 kilometers high. And that is where we're going to join the action. Free fall from a height of 10 kilometers. So let's have a look.
T plus 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Starship has transitioned. It's flipped to the horizontal mode, beginning the descent back to the landing zone.
Now I've got to pause it there, my good man. I need to know, I'm curious, what is able to film this?
Sorry Adam, this debunk is going to be super easy, barely an inconvenience.
What are you using to film this that is able to keep up with this gigantic rocket booster in free fall?
Oh Adam, it was shot from the ground.
Because if you're going to say a drone, how is a drone with blades able to keep up and descend at the same height that a 10-ton booster is free falling?
No, it was shot from the ground.
Look. Who or what is filming that? How is that even possible?
Adam, it was taken from the ground, just like Tim Dodd did, Everyday Astronaut.
You're not telling me the drone's blades have stopped, it's just started free falling, and yet somehow it's able to keep this booster in perfect shot?
Mate, it was taken from the ground.
Ridiculous. Please enlighten me. How is this booster being filmed in perfect sync, and what is filming it?
Look, I had all these beautiful images I was working up, like this and this and this, and comparing angles and such. Then I went and had a look at Everyday Astronaut, Tim Dodd, and we know he was on the ground because we can see the camera right here beside him.
Boom, and then boom, get ready, watch this. Yeah, you can tell how overcast it is. There we got Ryan setting up the scope out there. Say hi, Ryan. You can get a pretty good sense of how overcast it is out there.
And if you compare his rocket apogee with the one that you were concerned about, oh dear, they look almost exactly the same. So I think this is all over already. It was shot from the ground, and Adam, you just don't know angles or telephoto lenses. Sorry, dear boy. Better luck next time. Watch out for the socks.
I don't entirely know exactly what's going on.
Well guys, that's enough of Adam and his silliness. Let's just round this up by having a look at the last part as Tim Dodd was totally caught out.
There it is, engine relight. Looks good. Oh, it's looking good, guys. This is it. That's okay. We're going down to a single Raptor engine for the final landing. They're doing it. They're doing it. They absolutely are doing it. They're doing it 100%. Yes. Now is it going to stay standing? Is it still there? It's still there. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. 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 There is a little fire. I don't know what that fire is, but yes. Woo! I can't believe that. We need to start dumping footage, don't we? We need to start dumping footage. Oh, oh God, it just blew up. It just blew up. It just blew up. What? 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 What just happened?
I had a big chuckle when I saw poor Tim was not watching. You got to watch them rockets, they'll just go off like that. I did see many tweets where people had been watching this for many hours, and obviously they needed to get away because as soon as the rocket landed, they dashed off to the bathroom. And when they came back, there was no more rocket. Seems like a lot of people were very confused, saying, what happened? Where the hell did it go? It went boom boom. And so I wonder what the Brandon Toy Clown Show is going to say when they inevitably review this footage tomorrow. Well, I guess we know what they're going to say. It looks fake. Well, I guess if anyone happens to be in the chat tomorrow, you'll be able to tell them, Wally's already debunked this. Have a good day, guys.